Have you ever tried to create a smooth transition effect in your app, only to find yourself stuck and frustrated? If that's you, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to animate a tab bar switch with a CrossDissolve slide transition. I totally get it. It can be incredibly annoying when you have a vision for your app's UI, but the animations just don't work as you imagined. You're not alone in this struggle. Many developers face similar challenges. Here's the specific situation we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I create a transition effect on a UI tab bar controller similar to the Facebook app? They mentioned they got a scrolling effect working but couldn't figure out how to implement a CrossDissolve. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what could be going wrong? The issue often lies in how the animations are set up. We'll break down the code and identify where adjustments can be made to achieve that smooth CrossDissolve effect. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you enhance your app's animations even further. To achieve a smooth CrossDissolve transition in a UI tab bar controller, the user should start by modifying the animation method. Instead of using UIView.animate, we will use UIView.transition. Next, the user should ensure that both the toViewController and FromViewController are properly set up within the transition block. This is crucial for the animation to work correctly. After setting up the view controllers, the user needs to complete the transition. This involves calling the complete transition method in the completion block of the animation. Finally, the user should test the transition to ensure it runs smoothly. If the animation is laggy, consider optimizing the views or checking for any heavy operations during the transition. Fun fact, did you know that the first mobile apps had no animations at all? We've come a long way, and now smooth transitions are a must-have. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach to animate tab bar transitions involves creating a custom tab bar controller. This user suggests overriding the should-select method to implement a CrossDissolve animation when switching tabs, even when changing the selected index programmatically. To set the selected index programmatically with animation, call the new method setSelectedWithIndex. This ensures the transition animation occurs even when the tab is changed via code. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. An alternative approach to animating tab bar transitions involves adding a CrossDissolve effect alongside the slide animation. The user improved upon the previous solution by introducing snapshot views for fading in and out during the transition. The user provided adapted code that includes these enhancements, making the transition feel closer to the Facebook app's implementation. However, they are still working on making the animation interruptible. Here's the tip I promised. Always test your animations on a real device. Simulators can sometimes give you a false sense of performance. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your tab bar transitions should now have that smooth CrossDissolve effect. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on app development.